Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Jen & Barry's Monster Nash and Maniology MXM065 and 66. I've got on Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat, and here is Jen & Barry's Monster Nash. It's a really unusual polish. It's green, but it's got that orange and pink like shimmer to it. It's a very unusual polish, but a very nice one. This is, I think, my first play with Jen & Barry's polishes. This one came from the Polish and Beauty Expo in Nashville this year, and I do like the brush. The formula is really nice. I am going to do probably three. Yeah, I'm going to do 3 coats. And it's kind of got a copper look to it. It's really cool. Very, like I said, very unusual in my collection. So there we go. We got them all painted. Here we go with some Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. We're going to seal this in and get it to dry down. Using that Quick Dry Top Coat is a game changer. Get to do the playing a lot sooner. Alrighty. So here's a swatch photo of it on its own, and it's stunning. And Maniology MXM065 and 66. And we've also got the polishes, Pistachio, stamping polishes. And this one, I believe, is Chestnut. Yes. And we're going to use those as well as bases loaded on the lacquer. On the black, on the lacquer. And I've got out my little cube stampers for Maniology. Giving these plates a quick wipe down real quick so we can, make sure they're clean before we get to playing. So I'm going to stamp the outlines in black, and I'm going to fill them in with the polishes from the box. And I might add some more. Yeah, I'm going to add some more polishes to the play today. But I wanted to do a very fall manicure, and this plate's going to work out perfect. Well, both of these plates are going to work out perfect for that. So I've picked a couple of images from both of the plates. And they're just so cute with the little scarecrows. And I don't know. I guess I'm really in the mood. Cleaning my plates off with pure acetone and giving them a wipe with the paper towel. We're also going to throw in lasso and saddle up. And we're just going to use our little What's Up Nails Mermaid O brush to fill these in. And I'm just going to dance between both of these decals. I just put out one color and I put a little bit on each of the images so that, that they work together and they, both got the same colors going on in them. And this looks kind of like a pumpkin. So, and I didn't go like a traditional orange, but this brown does have like a tinge of orange or something in it. So we're going to definitely have to pay attention. Now, I know that one's a pumpkin. Pumpkins. I love them. I love that little scarecrow image. I love these sunflowers and the corn. And I just really love this image. And y'all see it's got the little swirly twirlies coming out of it. Oh, be still my heart. But I do love doing decals. I'm not the greatest at it. And I don't care. It's okay. But I do really like that you can, jazz up a stamped manicure with it. I don't have a problem with just straight up stamping either. I like that too. But I really like it when I have time to do these where you fill the image in with all these different colors. It's just fun. It's like a coloring book almost. And those are like the wisps of like wheat. And like I said, some of these images, I'm not really 100% sure what they are. I don't care. I'm going to fill them in. They could be chestnuts. They could be flowers. I don't know. They can be whatever they want to be. We're just going to fill them in. And I'm just, like I said, bouncing back and forth while I've got the drop of that one color of polish out on the mat. I'm trying to use it up before it dries up on me. Very cute. But like I said in one of my other videos, I don't know which one's going to post first. You never know with me. But I had 2 boxes from Maniology, 2 Maniamine boxes that I hadn't touched yet, so I had to break them out and use them. And what made me do it was the next box came in, so now I've got another box that I need to play with. That's what happens when you just set stuff out to the side and you're not paying attention. Actually, I think what happened was a lot of stuff came in at the same time, so you have to pick and choose your, what you're going to use this time. But I do want to try to use everything before they get lost in the collection, because my collection is substantial, so it's real easy for that to happen. I decided to also pull out Shutout from Bases Loaded Lacquer and just add just a little pop of white. I don't know that it's going to end up on my nail. Depends on what part of the image I use, so, or what'll fit. I never know. But I've decided to just, play with it and have fun with it. It's just hard to believe fall is already here, and the year's just clicking right by us. I mean, it just doesn't seem real that it's November. Is it just me? Or is it, everybody? Well, I decided to use a little bit more of these plates and do some kind of like background stamping with this print. I always love manicures when I see, and it would look good just like that, not putting anything on it, which you're going to see that because some nails are going to have just the print on it and some are going to have decals. But I think they look really cute. And also my friend Tammy from Mrs. K's Corner had just done a manicure recently using a print like this. And I was like, oh, I need to do that. So when I saw it on this plate, I was like, yep, we're going to do that one for sure. So I've done the script on my pinky, pointer finger, and thumb. And then I'm going to put the decals on my other 2 nails. As soon as I get some of this excess off my skin with that tape. I am going to use the Super Dry again as my sticky base coat. It's technically not a sticky base coat, but it's a wet, tacky coat. And it doesn't dry too fast. I'm just doing a real thin layer on both of the nails I'm going to do. That way these decals go from the stamper to the nail and kind of stick down and lay down flat for me. And ta-da! Got a big old scratch on that finger. I don't know what I got into. And then ta-da! And I'm just tapping them down with my finger. Any excess, I just roll it off of the stamper onto my lint roller. Clean the stamper for next time. And now I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and kind of melt the decal to the nail and clean up any excess that's hanging off. I've talked about this before, how I have to get up under the tip of that fingernail and do my little tap, tap, tap across the end with the flat side of the brush. That's just how I do it. Habits, habits. But I really ended up enjoying this manicure. It was a little different, and I liked it. I am going to top everything with the smudge-free top coat, the decal nails, and just the straight-up stamp nails. And I thought that this combination worked really well. I am going to top it with the Poshe top coat to finish this one off, seal it all in, and make it good to go. And that base color is just so crazy cool, though. I had to leave a couple of nails showing that stuff. There we go. See, I mean, that script looks so good over that. Ugh, if the camera would act right. There we go. Oh my goodness. I just love it. You turn your finger, and you guys, this is, even on film, it doesn't do it justice. I'm telling you, in like real lighting situations, gorgeous. So there's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.